We're often asked, what does Panographic do? We're suppliers of optical plastics used to enhance electronic information displays. It was founded because I could actually see that technology was growing and changing very quickly. We had customers at the time that needed improvements to make the displays more readable, so we sourced coatings and developed our own coatings to be able to give the customers what they needed. And as the technology has now really grown into a big display marketplace, we are ideally suited for all the needs and the demands of the display industry today.
We are constantly looking at new ways, new technologies, new materials to introduce to our customers and future customers.
I believe that what sets us apart from the other companies is we understand the industry's materials. I think because of that we have the upper hand because we're able to tailor pretty much any process to what our customer needs.
We believe we're world leaders with the technology that we've got today, and you have to supply parts that conform every single time, and that's something that Panographic can do. I do believe within Panographic there is a big passion for doing everything correct, doing everything right.
As a sales team we work really close, and between us we've got over 100 years experience combined.
We have some training programs for all our staff, so everyone is very well educated and very knowledgeable.
We have some little posters around actually that say train, don't blame. It basically means that you can't blame someone for not knowing something if we haven't first trained them.
Not only are we a family-run business, but also we quite like to have some fun aspects of work. So Steve brings in Doug, he's the office dog, he's a cockapoo. Carly can bring Sky in, her daughter, and sometimes you're like, okay, this is a pretty awesome place to work.